welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a no-cut fire transformation. My client here is heading home to see his parents, and that is a catch. When he left home, he didn't have these dreads. To show them that maximum respect, we are taking them all off right now. I'm going to cut this down to the new growth to see what we are working with. He is asked for a shadow fade, or what some barbers in Nigeria call the Afro Punk. I might not use all their local method, but you know the result is going to be clean. Let's get into it. Alright, to kick off, I'm letting my client cut off the first dreads. As you can see, I'm helping out to ensure we are cutting this down to the new growth, because he likes to keep some length at the top for a comb over. Now that these dreads are chopped off, here is what we are left to work with. As you can see, I'm stretching the hair from the scalp to maintain a good working environment before I move on to the actual clipper work.
Hi guys, we really want to learn how to cut hair in a way that helps you level up your work speed while making more money behind the chair. We are launching a membership training program where I will break down the most advanced barbering techniques ever used on YouTube in a step-by-step format, from basic haircut to more detailed size. I will show you how to frame your fade using a simple diagram, so you don't have to worry about the finished outcome. You will be able to submit your own haircut photo for review. If you are interested, send us a message at classicbarberacademy@gmail.com to learn more.
Here I grab my new 2043 clipper from WMark and basically setting in my first guideline. Just to remind us where we are, the lever is halfway closed, which is ideal position for a low cut. As you can see, I'm going about a finger width, ensuring the process is smooth. Guys, one thing I like about this clipper, the lever bracket opens wider about 1 inch in length with the 5-click lever. It's a great tool for any detail work. I highly recommend. With a one guard, I'm setting the second guideline. Here, I'm keeping this section a bit wider than usual to give me more room to blend in this simple 3-step process to avoid confusing you guys. Barbers here might do the Afro Punk with a different flow, but I'm using my 3-step fading system to give it a more modern and sharp finish. Here for the transition, I set the lever halfway closed. I will be pushing the lever little by little when necessary. This last guard is what I basically use to connect the dot of my client's head shape whenever I get it in my hand, and is the most important part in a haircut. With a one guard, I'm going with the grain to make the process even smoother. In this 3-step technique, guys, just to recap, we have used the open blade, one guard, and the 316 guard. The last thing we are using right now is the one guard to bring the whole process together. Lastly is the lineup, and this is one of the most important part in a haircut. If you really want your client to stand out, just keep it real. Guys, framing the haircut is the big deal. If the lineup fails, the entire process fails. Remember that. Stick around until the end to see the final review. You won't believe it's the same person. Thanks for watching the transformation. If you enjoyed that transition, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more fire content every week. Do you think he made the right choice cutting off the dreads for his parents, or should he have kept them? Let me know in the comments. Cheers, I will see you in the next one.